What if you could stand on top of the tallest building in the world, ride a camel through golden dunes at sunset, and shop for real 24-karat gold in a centuries-old market, all in the same day? Welcome to Dubai, where futuristic skyscrapers rise from ancient sands, and every experience feels like stepping into a sci-fi dream wrapped in Arabian hospitality. Whether you're craving luxury, culture, adventure, or just unforgettable memories, Dubai is more than just a stopover. It's a full-blown travel universe. And in this video, I'm breaking down the top 10 absolute must-do experiences for first-time visitors, plus local tips, time-saving hacks, and how to make every moment count. Dubai isn't just famous for breaking records, it redefines what's possible. From the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on Earth, to indoor skiing in the desert, this city is a playground of innovation and imagination. It's also one of the safest, cleanest, and most connected cities in the world. You've got year-round sunshine, world-class infrastructure, and a mix of cultures that creates something truly one of a kind. This guide is built specifically for first-time travelers to help you hit the highlights, avoid the tourist traps, and experience the soul of Dubai beyond the surface glam. Let's jump into it, starting at number 10. Number 10, wander the gold and spice souks. Step into Dubai's historic Jumeirah district and explore labyrinths of glittering gold and fragrant spices. These bustling markets feel like they haven't changed in centuries, except now you can bargain for gold chains alongside saffron and oud perfume. Go early in the morning to avoid crowds and combine your visit with a ride on a traditional Abra boat across Dubai Creek for just 1 dirham. Number 9, visit the Fahidi Historic District. Think Dubai is all glass towers? Think again. In Fahidi, you'll walk through narrow alleyways, wind towers, and mud brick homes dating back to the 1800s. Check out the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, where you can have a traditional Emirati meal and ask locals anything about their culture. No question is off limits. Number 8, get lost in Dubai Mall. Yes, it's a mall, but Dubai Mall is a destination all on its own. With over 1,200 shops, it's also home to an Olympic-size ice rink, a giant indoor waterfall, and the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where you can walk through a tunnel surrounded by sharks. Download the Dubai Mall app before you go. It's massive, and the app helps you navigate like a pro. Number 7, catch a show at Dubai Opera or visit Alserkal Avenue. Looking for culture beyond shopping? Dubai's got it. The Dubai Opera House, shaped like a traditional dhow boat, hosts world-class performances. Meanwhile, Alserkal Avenue in Al Quoz is a contemporary art hub with edgy galleries, cafes, and installations. Many galleries at Alserkal are free, and Thursday nights often feature live performances or talks. Number 6, ski at Mall of the Emirates. Yes, you read that right. You can ski in the desert. Inside Mall of the Emirates is Ski Dubai, an indoor snow park with real snow, penguins, and a chairlift. Book tickets in advance and bring gloves. Rentals don't always include them. It's chilly inside. Number 5, stroll through Miracle Garden. From mid-November to April, the desert blooms into a floral fantasy land. The Dubai Miracle Garden features over 150 million flowers, sculpted into castles, airplanes, and even full-sized houses. Visit during golden hour for dreamy photos and less heat. Arrive via Metro plus RTA bus for the cheapest access. Number 4, spend a day at JBR and the beach. Looking for that chill beachfront vibe? Head to Jumeirah Beach Residence, JBR. You've got crystal clear waters, open-air cinema, food trucks, jet skis, and Instagrammable art installations. The Flying Cup lets you dine 40 meters in the air with sea views for under $25. A surprisingly affordable thrill. Number 3, take a desert safari. Dune bashing, camel rides, falcon shows, and BBQ dinners under the stars. It's all part of a Dubai desert safari. But in 2025, upgrade your experience with a private stargazing dinner or even overnight glamping in luxury tents. Choose sunset safaris for the best lighting and avoid the midday heat. Look for smaller group tours for a more intimate experience. Number 2, explore Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island shaped like a palm tree is an engineering wonder. Ride the monorail to the view at the Palm, a 240-meter high observation deck with 360-degree views of the city, sea, and skyline. Visit right before sunset for the best view. Book tickets online. They're cheaper and let you skip lines. Number 1. Burj Khalifa plus Dubai Fountain Show. No visit to Dubai is complete without the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on Earth. Ride to the 124th floor for jaw-dropping views, then step outside to watch the Dubai Fountain Show, where water dances to music every 30 minutes. Book your at-the-top ticket for sunset entry. You'll get daytime, golden hour, and night views all in one. Watch the fountain show from Time Out Market's outdoor terrace for a more relaxed vibe. Still got energy? Try these rapid-fire extras. Skydiving over Palm Jumeirah for the ultimate adrenaline rush. A boat ride around Dubai Marina at night. Think Venice vibes with skyscrapers. Global Village, a seasonal world fair where you can eat from 80-plus countries in one night. Let's recap the top 3 you just can't miss. The Burj Khalifa and Dubai Fountain Show. Palm Jumeirah and its sky-high views. A magical desert safari under the stars. Dubai is a city of contrasts, where old meets new, sand meets steel, and every corner promises a new story. Whether you're there for 48 hours or 2 weeks, these top 10 experiences will help you make the most of your first trip. Which activity are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you want a free, printable Dubai itinerary with links and local hacks, check the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. Until then, pack light, dream big, and we'll see you in the desert.